What's going on, guys? I'm back. Long story short, GoPros don't like acetone. So yeah, I ruined the GoPro and I had to take some time to get another one and everything. So, but yeah, we're back. I appreciate the patience. Thank you for subscribing. I finally hit 1,000 subscribers. So I just got monetized. It's in the process of getting monetized. So that's kind of cool. And I appreciate you guys for subscribing. So we're back at it on the 17-foot Mako project today. Well, as you can see, this is all glassed in now, even up front with the bulkhead. But yeah, we cut out the other stringers, these two stringers here. We're just gonna grind this stuff nice and clean. Gotta get it all suited up. I wanna get all this fiberglass on it. Alright guys, it's a new day. Did a little bit more grinding. As you can see, this is all grinded down, got all the voids out of it and stuff. And now we're gonna take this big old piece of cardboard, cut it in half. Alright, so we got our cardboard template. Come tomorrow, I'll go grab another piece of Coosa board, trace this out, start gluing it in and fiberglassing it all in. So, see you next time. Alright, so I just got off work, got a inch thick Coosa board. We're gonna trace it out, the stencil. Obviously the stencil goes past the board, so we're gonna make a little notch there to extend it. the stringer, got it cut out of the board there. Like I said, it'll connect up to here, like so. Get the extra support. Yeah. That's it for today. Tomorrow we'll do a little bit more fine tuning and get it in. Alright, so we got both stringers cut and leveled out. Nice and leveled. Now we're gonna make a line across here, so when we lay the stringers back in with the thick epoxy underneath to glue them in, we know exactly where to glue them in at. We're using a 4:1 epoxy curing agent hardener, so dry quick so we can sit there and hold it and wait for it to tack up and hold itself.
Alright guys, that's it for this video. Got the stringers cut out, glued in, and partially glassed in. So yeah, like and subscribe. We'll have another video out in about a week or two. We got the new camera, so you'll see another video real soon. So yeah, hope you enjoy it. Hope you learned something. Until next time.